Good evening, guys. It's your boy SK from the SKGS Incorporated YouTube channel, and I'm back with another video, guys. So, guys, this video today, we're going to be going into the secret levels for entries for currency pairs, right? So, what these are called is they are called psychological levels. So, I'm going to show you how these work, guys. So, today I'm going to be using a currency pair called GBP AUD, which is the British pound versus the Australian dollar. So this is how this works, guys. Let's get into the video. So guys, basically how this strategy works is that you need a couple of tools. So these tools, guys, that you're gonna need are gonna be very simple tools, but they are very effective. Okay, so guys, what we're going to be using is the horizontal line, right? So how this strategy for psychological levels works is that we are going to draw these horizontal lines, and these lines can be used for entry levels, take profit levels, and stop loss levels. So guys, this is how this works. You're going to press your horizontal line, and then you're going to obviously place your horizontal line onto your chart. Then once you've done that, guys, you're going to go to the settings of the horizontal line. Then you're going to go to coordinates. And then how the strategy works is that these psychological levels are basically levels of 500, right? So for example, with GBP AUD, the price is 1.75244, right? So now if you're going to enter a psychological level, you have to make sure that each level is going up in 500s. So right, we are on 75,000, let's see, 244, right? So then your level would be 75,500. That would be your first psychological level. And then you enter it. Then that's how it's going to look, guys. And then you enter your next psychological level, which is going to be 76,000, which is the next level, right? 75,500 plus 500 equals to what? 76,000. So then that's going to be your next level, 76,000. And then you're going to enter your next level, which is going to be 76,500. And then you're just going to keep going on and on and on, guys. And then once again, you'll see at the end how this all ties together. So 76,500 is our next level. And then our next level is 77,000, right? So here's our next level, 77,000. And then your next level is 77,500. Okay, that's the next level, guys. And then the next level is going to be 78,000. So we're going to plot our level. So that's 78,000, right? That's our next level. And then guys, these levels you can just put as many as you want, actually, based on what the current price is or whatever price levels you're looking at. You don't have to put them and fill your whole chart and make your chart look clustered or very, very cluttery. So here's the next level, guys. It's going to be 75,000. Now we're going downwards, guys. I'm trying to make sure that these levels are going to cover all of these candlesticks that are on my chart right now. So it's going to be 75,000, right? That's our next level. Then our next level is going to be 74,500. So 74,500. That's our next level. And then you're going to keep going on and on and on, guys. So 74,000 is going to be our next level. And once again, guys, I know this is tedious, but in the end, it'll prove to be very, very useful to you. So our next level is 73,500. And then our next level is going to be 73,000. Like I said, guys, this is very tedious, but we are almost done. And then our next level is going to be 72,500. Right there. And then we've got one more that we can do, which is about 72,000. And then there you go, guys. So guys, once you've done this now, what you have to do is you're going to add something called a rectangle onto your levels. You're going to layer the rectangle tool or shape over your levels. So let's do this, guys. So now we're going to press our rectangle shape and we're going to layer it on top of our levels. Okay, so we're going to do it like this. And mind you guys, you can make it whatever color that you want. The rectangle. So there's our rectangle. And guys, if you want to change the color, if you want to change the outline of the color of the rectangle, you press here, and then you choose whatever color that you want. Let me actually change the color and make it, let's say I'm gonna make it red. I'll make it red. So that's the outline. Then if you want to change the inside of the rectangle color, the color that fills the rectangle, you press here, then I'll make it red again. And there you go. So I'm gonna use red for this video, guys, for our rectangle. And then we're gonna do our next rectangle, right, on our next level. So you're gonna keep going on and on and on and doing this, guys. And once again, I know it's tedious, but once you've done this, your charts will be much clearer, guys. So there's our next level. And then our next level. Right there. Next level. And then our next level over here. That's our next level. Then we've got another level over here. Yeah, guys, I know this is a mission, but it's something that you have to do if you want to be able to have an easy way to make entries when trading currency pairs. And then here is our next level. Then our next level over here. And then you go on and on and on and on. But like I said, guys, you can make as many of these levels as you please. You don't have to fill up your whole chart and make your chart look cluttered or clustered, that is. You can just do it as much as you want. You can even do it on, let's say, maybe the major high points or the major low points, right? So like the swing lows and the swing highs. You don't have to clutter your whole chart like this, but I suggest that you do it like this because then it's more accurate. But you can just do it in your own way if you want to tweak the actual strategy. And then this is our last one, guys. Okay, now let's see what price is doing, guys. We've plotted our levels and we've layered our levels with our rectangle boxes. Now let's see what price is doing, guys. Okay, let me just zoom into the charts. And then let's see what price is doing to see how these levels are actually going to be to our benefit. Okay, guys, so as you see, guys, price reacts on these levels. Okay, so price dropped from here to this level here, which is 77,500, went back up to 78,000, went back down to 77,500, went down to 77,000, went down to 76,500, went down to 76,000, went back up to 76,500, went down and then consolidated here, went down to 75,500, came back up, consolidated, and so on and so on, and then came back down here to 75,000, went up to 75,500, came back down to 75,000, then shot up, and then carried on going, so on and so on and so on. Now guys, let's see what current price is doing. Okay, so now this is the current price for GBP AUD. So guys, you can use trend lines with this. You can use you can look for currency pair patterns and whatnot. So this strategy can go with whatever other thing that you want to add onto it. You can even use the Fibonacci on this if you use Fibonacci, and you can use whatever you want with this, guys. But these levels are your support and resistance levels, right, which you can use for entries, for take profits and stop losses, like I said initially, guys. Let's just use trend lines and see if we can draw trend lines onto this, right? So I think this is how you draw a trend line, guys. This would be our trend line here. I think this is how you would draw it. Like this, I think. As I said, guys, I'm not really a trend line trader, but I'm just gonna try and guess how to draw this trend line from what I can see. I think maybe it would be like this, right? Like this. And then our entry would be something like this. We will take up probably a short position here. And guys, I haven't analyzed this chart. This is just me doing this as prices currently happening live. So then that would be your entry point there, and then your stop loss would be on this level here, which is 74,000 would be your stop loss. Then your take profit would probably be here at 72,500. This is me just guessing, guys. And yeah, that would be your entry, and then your take profit would be here, right? Something like that, I'm guessing. Then if you want to use Fibonacci, and you can also use that. How would you use Fibonacci here? I think you'd go from where? Not sure how to use Fibonacci either. I don't really use it, but because I'm a pattern I'm a candlestick pattern trader, guys, so I don't use Fibonacci or trend lines or anything like that. But I'm just gonna see if I can use it from what I remember. I think your Fibonacci would be what, something like this, I'm guessing. No, I think this is wrong. I think it would be like this, the Fibonacci level. I think it would be something like this, I'm guessing. This is me guessing, guys. But yeah, I think something like this your Fibonacci would look. But yeah, guys, if you don't use Fibonacci, it's fine. You don't have to add it. But yeah, this would be our entry and this would be our setup using these specific levels. So guys, maybe I'm giving you a signal right now, I don't know, but it is what it is. So yeah, guys, that's how these levels work, and that's how you can use them to actually improve your trading with currency pairs. So guys, if you got value from this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment on the video, and I'll see you on the next video. And the next video, guys, we'll be talking about the secret levels for VIX 75, or the volatility index as some people would call it. So yeah, guys, see you in the next video.